What?
He's out here with the 400. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, man. I've never been down there.
Down there is a spot where they just dump stolen Chevys. There's like fucking 10 of them lined up, parked perfectly next to each other, stripped the fuck down.
Really?
What? Yeah.
Done what?
Could just go chill right there. It's a nice pull out right there.
By the stop sign?
Yeah, right past it.
Alright, get back around.
Line them hoes up, line them up. You see they took little dirt bikes?
What?
They got that four-wheeler action going over there.
Yo, that's insane if he jumped that bitch.
Hey.
Look where he landed, look where he hit the shit just
I think he came up that way, bro, nah?
That feels so weird.
You like that? You like it? Yeah. What?
If we call them, they'll bring it to us.
For real?
Yeah, look.
Damn, and then we gotta give them our fucking credit card information and shit. God damn it, fuck it. What else can we do, right?
I don't know.
You said
Yeah, we'll call them and they could bring it out.
that's a heavy one.
You got it nice and strapped down too. He did it for the memes.
A few moments later.
Oh, you already did Scott, right?
We came around that side. Now we're leaving from over here. Squad. He's out here with the 400. He's taking the lead. Uh-oh. Is he gonna come after us? Nope. He knows we're faster anyway.
Some time later.
I have no idea where we're going.
Where are we going? Where's the lake at? It's right there.
Brilliant. Pop it, pop it. Is this Mirror Lake? Why they call it Mirror Lake? It looked frozen. Let's go. It's all right.
That wasn't that bad. There was a couple of times I was pretty cold, and I was like, you know what? I'm not fucking cold. Fuck that.
That's the beauty of the sports bike. You just go down and warm up for like a couple minutes and go back
Fuck
up.
your back up, but you warm up.
You're either gonna be cold or your back is fucked.